Good morning, guys. I wanted to take you on a little journey with my gardening this morning. I ran up to Walmart yesterday and I saw these, and normally I hate striped flowers, but I loved the color and I felt like the porch back here needed it. So I grabbed these and I grabbed 3 purple hearts, and I'm gonna go and plant those in the garden right now. We have about 3 or 4 days of rain coming up, so this is the perfect time. The reason I decided to grab these is some of the transplants that I did last year didn't take, and I really want this garden to I don't want to have to keep buying plants every year. So this is my 5th year working the garden, and I finally nailed down what plants are going to survive in a drought. And that's super important for me because I don't have access to a hose to go out and water them every day, so they have to be able to stand on their own. And I find the purple hearts are perfect for that. They came back last year beautifully this year. So I've got 3 little plants I'm going to go and plant right now. so there we go. Just a little gardening before I jump onto my 9 to 5. So this is the first one I planted, and I do have one showing up here and one coming in here. This spot here, they did not come back in, so now I have these and this one, and that'll be a nice little backdrop, and it'll be really pretty when they grow and they just carpet it all purple. I obviously need 1 or 2 of the autumn joys to go in here, and these are my salvias, and look at how pretty the colors are already getting to purple and pinks. How beautiful. But I need 2 more of those for here, and I figure with those plants this garden should be fine because these are all the survivors from last year. So just as a quick little tour, my hostas are doing fantastic. I stashed a daylily back here, and there are some Mexican petunias mixed in with that. I know there's a lot of weeds right now, but I'm going to take care of these after we get rain, so they'll pop out real easy. So that'll probably be a Sunday morning project for me. I also have hostas here that are doing great. This is my daylily garden, and obviously I'm going to have to do some thinning, and I have some couple ideas where to put them. I have some Mexican petunias coming in back there, and these are the purple hearts that I planted over here last year. So I have 1, 2, 3 of them here. My rose bush I've been pruning. I know nothing about these. I just keep trimming them back so it gets bushy, and it's looking real bushy. This little baby one here is already bloomed. And then I got some weeding to pull out of here, but that's not even too bad. I'm thinking this corner right here is probably where I'm going to put some of those daylilies. But I don't know if I can because this is kind of hard to dig through because we have the drainage there. We have some kind of water line or something here. So I don't know if I can plant anything there. But this is mid-April here, and this is what my garden is looking like. Oh, and I have a hidden iris back there that my daughter's going to take. I admit I chuckled when I started editing this video and I realized I didn't hit record on those purple hearts. You know, what are you gonna do, right? And let's be honest, if you're watching a gardening video, you've probably seen people stick shovels in the dirt before, so you're not necessarily missing anything. Thank you for watching, guys. I always appreciate it when you do. Toodles!